Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. So first up here, we're going to open up your Messenger app, as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the three lines at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Once you tap on the menu icon, just tap on the gear icon, which is the settings at the top right. Now here, just need to scroll down and find the privacy and safety. Once you tap on that, tap on this end-to-end encrypted chats under security option. Then here you will find an option which says secure storage. So you just have to enable or turn that on. Now once done, go back here and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on the see more in account center. Once you tap on that here on account center, tap on your information and permissions. And here, just need to tap on download your information. And then you just have to tap again this download or transfer information. So basically here, just have to select your Facebook account that you want to get information from. And then tap on next. And then how much information do you want? So just specific types of information. Now on the next page, as you can see, you have to select the messages right from here. So if you have other pages on your Facebook, then basically you can also select any information you want to recover. For example, messages. And then here on the next page, what do you want to do with your information? So download to device and then tap on next. And then we're going to set the options here if we want the date range into last week, last month, last 3 months, last 6 months, last year, or last 3 years, or all time. And then you can also enter your email where they going to send you the information. And then you can change the format, just select HTML. And then also the media quality, if you want a higher quality, may take longer to download, but you can basically select medium. And then once done here, you just have to tap on create files button. So basically you just have to wait for a few seconds here. And as you can see, the information you requested is being prepared for download. So you just have to wait until you receive the information on your email address. So usually it takes up to days or weeks, basically. Then you will receive that on your email address. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.